Okay, I think I'm recording already. So, wait lang. Last week ng Sunday, finally, try ko na yung mag-free diving, which is naging bucket list ko maluwat na. And finally, subukan ko na ng Sunday King Aquatic Center King New Clark City. Kung no ka rin gawa dati in Southeast Asian Games ng nakikita mong host. And I actually enjoyed it. First time kong mag free diving. And ating kaming free footages, videos underwater. Itang ginamit na nitang coach me kay DJI Osmo 5 Pro. I was thinking na wala kong camera for underwater. It's been, I've been traveling a lot locally, usually Kaling Beach, Boracay, Tornado, Coron, Siargao, Cebu, Davao. Wala akong mangkay action camera that I use underwater. So, nandin sinabi ko DJI rin, pero itang latest version na itang Action 6 Pro atin lang aluwa-luwang adwa pala yata combo na available itang box na itang standard combo and the adventurer combo. Itang kinuha ko itang adventurer combo hindi pala yung box. It comes with spare extra batteries. Atin nitang lalagyan na nitang battery. Atin yung extra 2. Ay pwede nang i-charge na direkta kining battery hub instead king mismong device. Kaya atin yung abeng stick. Ayun. Pero wala yung itong stand bayang maging tripod. Kailangan ng salmon separately. Hindi mag-magnet pag sinalpak mo itong mismong camera, action camera. And then, of course, itong cable, type C. Extra itong makaninyo nangawas kanini clamp kung nawarin may sa salpak. Pero ay pa kaya ba itong kay itong pang underwater na stick, selfie stick, sinali ko separate king kay Telesin. Kaya tetestikan kayo rin using this video kung makanano yung audio na sa kaing video quality during the night. And ang po itang king Telesin kaya rin sa ili kasi nirecommend niya nitong PSAG-1 ko. King kaya ko sinaling is king DJI na store ating kening SM Pampanga. Ayun ang itsura na nitong waterproof case. So sa makaulit king free diving session under the sea, hopefully. So atin in casing for underwater. Kita mo, yeah, so hopefully makapagkaita mo ulit free diving and maging successful na keng duck dive kasi agawa last time. Ilulubanan niyang danagitang snorkeling gear. Siguro mali ko mga pangapwesto. Kaya wait pa. So yeah, next time hopefully agawa ko ng duck dive and a lot more videos underwater.
Ito na, mas madali, no? Circle in, balik ka sa buoy. Right, ganda. Nice, ganda. Nice one.